What is up, guys? We are back on the channel today, and I know you guys are probably thinking like, where's the M240 and where's the E30, because I haven't uploaded it in a while. And the thing is that my M240 is currently down. I've been having little issues with it, but the E30 is going to a straight overhaul, and I'm going to go ahead and show you. But whatever, today we're going to go ahead and go where the car's at and install a couple parts that I have here. Let me show you real quick. So I got this new steering wheel, OEM steering wheel for the car. It's mint. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in, and then we got a new window that we're gonna go ahead and throw in as well when we get there. So yeah, we'll show you when I get there and show you the updates of, because I haven't shown you guys that car in probably like, I don't know, it's so long. So it's gonna be a crazy update and you'll see what happens. Yeah, like I was saying, so I know I haven't showed the M240 and the E30 in a while, but the M240 is currently down and the E30 is just like went through some crazy changes. Like I said, when we get there, I'm going to show you everything, where the car is at and where it's getting finished at, basically pretty much body wise, and what transformation we've done to it. So we're going to go ahead and put the back window in, and we're going to go ahead and put the steering wheel in as well, because those things need a refreshing up. But the car looks a lot different when you guys didn't see it. It's a night and day difference. So all right, stay tuned. Boom. So this is where the car's been getting restored at. We took it here to get a full body overhaul. I don't know if you guys have seen them. I'm featured on Hoonigan Automotive, Hoonigan channel. Ronald's a really good E30 restorer when it comes down to body and paint, and also, you know, just mechanical stuff. But we're not doing anything mechanical here. We just took the car here to get resprayed. So we're gonna go ahead and walk into their headquarters and see what the update is with the car. It's been here for about a month and a half. I was trying to get it done for Art Basel in Miami, but it was just so much stuff to get done and so little time. So we're gonna go see it. I haven't seen it yet, so it's gonna be my first time seeing it in person. So you haven't seen, they got Masterclass is known for just very clean quality cars. They got this M5 here. It's probably like low mileage. Also, Matthew. Also, this GT2 car is sick. The BBS is on it. Yes. Yeah. Whole and set up. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead into the back. You can see this sick GT2. Suspension work is crazy here. You can see in this car, it's featured on Hoonigan Autofocus as well, and they did like a whole thing in here. Crazy. This is like a time capsule, man. So as you know, I bought this car in Toronto at a masterclass automotive, and the car was in very rough shape. As you can see, these are the pictures of the before and after. It's a night and day difference. This car was a one-owner car, and it needed to be saved. And Ronald and them, as you can see when we show you in the next clips of how the car is looking right now, and it's not even polished yet. It's breathtaking, and they really killed it with this job. I mean, their work just shows they're not a cheap place, but the work, it shows why they're expensive and what type of quality you're gonna get from a paint job. This car we're not even yet finished, man. After we get it back, so there's a little bit more stuff we got to do. But as you can see here, this is like the project what we were working with them here, and you can see how they sanded down all the panels. The car is dent free. You'll see in the next video. But this is pretty much it. Boom. So as you can see, The car is flawless.
So Matt,
Yeah.
I have
As you can see, everything is, they haven't even polished this car yet or ceramicked it, but you could tell your reflection on it is just, this shit's glass. Like, I don't even know what to say. But we took out the other window. My dad right now is trying to figure out how we're gonna zip this thing in. But let me go ahead and try to help him do this so we can get out of here.
I'm feeling high.